እሺ የመጨረሻው workout problem question number 3. You have given a polynomial and one complex root x is equal to 2i. And it says that find all the roots of the polynomial equation. Remember what we have in the case of complex roots for polynomial equation. Whenever we have a plus bi is the root, the complex root for a polynomial equation, then its conjugate a minus bi is also another root. That's what we have, conjugate root theorem. So based on that, if 2i is the root, then minus 2i, the conjugate of 2i, minus 2i is also another root. And the other point, what we need to know here is, whenever a is a root, x minus a is the factor. So from this, we know that x minus 2i is one factor for this, and the other factor, x minus minus 2i, x plus 2i is another factor. So these are factors for this. Then the product is also factor. So x minus 2i times x plus 2i. The product, x times x, x squared, x times 2i, 2xi, minus 2i times x, minus 2xi, ይጣፋል. So minus 2i times 2i, I times I squared, negative 1, times negative positive. So it's plus 4. Now what we have here, x squared plus 4 is the factor of this one, the left expression. Factor ከሆነ, to factorize this expression, we use long division. The divisor x squared plus 4 and the dividend x to the power of 5 minus 2x to the power of 4 minus x cubed minus 2x squared minus 20x plus 24. We apply long division to factorize this one because we know this is a factor. That means the remainder is 0. Okay, now we divide the dividend leading term by the divisor leading term. X to the power of 5 divided by x squared, x cubed. That means when multiply to the divisor, x to the power of 5 plus 4x cubed. Then subtract downward. X to the power of 5 cancel x to the power of 5. ይሄ እንዳለ ይወርዳል። minus 2x to the power of 4 minus x cubed minus 4x cubed minus 5x cubed. ሌሎቹ እንዳለ ይወርዳሉ። minus 2x squared minus 20x plus 24. Again leading termun በleading term ስናካፍል minus 2 አለን እዚህ, x to the power of 4 divided by x squared minus 2x squared. መልሰን ስናባዛው ይሄ መምጣት አለበት, minus 2x to the power of 4 minus 8x to the power of x squared. Then subtract downward. ይሄ ይጣፋል, cubed እንዳለ ይወርዳል, minus 5x cubed minus 2 minus minus plus minus 2 plus 8 plus 6x squared, ሌላው እንዳለ ይወርዳል, minus 20x plus 24. አሁንም ሊዲንግ ተርሙን በሊዲንግ ተርም እናካፍላለን, minus 5 አለን እዚህ ጋር 1 ስለሆነ cubed by x squared x. መልሰን ስናባዛው minus 5x cubed minus 5x times 4 minus 20x. ስንቀንስ ይሄ ይጣፋል, minus 20x ይጣፋል, 6x squared plus 24. So 6x squared divided by x squared 6 ይቀረናል. መልሰን ስናባዛው 6x squared plus 24, then it is 0. We know that x squared plus 4 is the factor for this expression. So the remainder should be 0. ይሄን ካገኘን በኋላ ቀጥለን የምንሰራው በሎንግ ዲቪዥን ያገኘነው ኮሸንታችን ይሄ ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄ ኤክስፕሬሽን can be written as a product of x square plus 4 times x cubed minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. እዚህ ቀሪ ሩቶች ከዚህ ነው። ከዚህ ሁለቱን ሩቶች አግኝተናል plus or minus 2i. so የሚቀረን ይሄ ነው። look this polynomial with integer coefficient እዚህ rational root test apply ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። rational root test ስንጠቀም the constant term 6 the leading coefficient 1. so the possible rational roots of this expression, this equation, the product 0 means either this 0 or this one 0. so ይሄ 0 የሚሆነው መቼ ነው? ያንን ሩት ለማግኘት rational root test ስንጠቀም constant term 6 አለን። so የ6 ፋክተሮች እነማን ናቸው? plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 plus or minus 6. yielding coefficient 1 plus or minus 1. so the possible value for p over q rational roots, the constant factor divided by the leading term factor, the leading coefficient factor. ለዚህ ይሄን በዚህ ስናካፍል መልሶ ይሄንን ሰጠን plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 plus or minus 6. so rational root ካለን ከነዚህ ውስጥ ነው የሚሆነው rational root test የሚነግረን። ለዚህ እነዚህን እዚህ ላይ እየተካን ቼክ እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። 1 ስንተካ ምን ይሆናል? substitute 1 here 1 when x is equal to 1 1 minus 2 minus 5 plus 6 minus 7 plus 7 that is 0. so 1 is the root አንድ አገኘን። minus 1 ብንተካ look negative 1 negative 2 negative 5 ነን 0 ነው። positive 2 ብንተካ minus 2 positive 2 ስንተካ ምን ይሆናል? 8 minus 8 ይሆናል minus 10 plus 6 different from 0. x is equal to minus 2 ብንተካ minus 8 minus 8 plus 10 plus 6 that is 0. ለዚህ positive 1 negative 2 እንቀጥላለን። positive 3 27 minus 3 square 9 18 minus 15 15 plus 6 9 እና 6 15 that is 0. so this is for x is equal to 3. ለዚህ ሌላ እንቀጥላለን። 1 2 3 አገኘን። እዚህ 2 አለን 5 at most 5 ነው ያለን። ስለዚህ ሌሎችን ቼክ ማድረግ አያስፈልገንም። so we have the roots plus or minus 2i, positive 1, negative 2 and positive 3 are roots of the equation. roots of the equation. yes ጥያቄው የሚለው find all the roots ነው። ስለዚህ ሩቶቹ እንዳለ እነዚህ ይሆናሉ። ፋክተሮቹ x minus 2i, x plus 2i, x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 3 are the factors. so this is the solution for question number 3. so የ2024-25 በአዲስ አበባ ሳይንስና ቴክኖሎጂ ዩኒቨርሲቲ የማቴማቲክስ ፎር ናቹራል ሳይንስ ፋይናል ኤግዛም ይሄን ይመስል ነበር። በሚቀጥለው ቪዲዮ እስከምንገናኝ ድረስ የለቀኳቸውን ቪዲዮዎች እያያችሁ በዛውም ሰብስክራይብ፣ ላይክ እያደረጋችሁ ጠብቁኝ። ከሌላ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ያገኘኋቸውን ፈተናዎች ቀጥሎ ይዤላችሁ እመጣለሁ። እስከዛው ሰላም ሁኑ።